Returning to the main cases page from the left navigation panel allows us to explore the remaining features of this section in detail. The first thing you'll notice is your watch list, a list of cases you're currently monitoring. In the Case Features tutorial, we demonstrated how to add a case to this list. This watch list is especially useful because it highlights the review dates associated with each case. These dates ensure that every case has a next actionable step scheduled, helping you stay on top of your workload. In the upcoming tutorial, we'll delve deeper into review dates and why they are a cornerstone of effective case management. As we return to the main page, you'll also find an Exchange button. However, it's important to note that this button, along with the additional Exchange search filter below, might not appear if you don't have the necessary permissions for the Exchange feature. This ensures that access is limited to authorized users, keeping sensitive information secure. In the main body of the page, you'll see the Advanced Case Search panel, which provides powerful tools to locate specific cases quickly. Here, you can search for cases using various parameters. The Search Term field allows you to input any file number, part of the case matter, or other searchable text from the case template. To refine your search further, you can specify a start date and end date, filtering results to cases created within a specific time frame. Additionally, the Assigned To filter narrows the search to cases assigned to all users or a specific individual, while the Client field limits results to cases associated with all or specific clients. Following the same logic, the Case Type and Status filters allow you to refine your search even further. These options make it easy to tailor your search to the precise information you need. Once you've filled out the search form, simply click the search button to view the results, complete with links to each case for easy access. This concludes our tutorial series on case management. In the next segment, we'll focus on review dates, the most critical component of managing your cases effectively. Stay tuned to learn how this feature can transform your workflow and ensure no detail is overlooked.